Welcome back to Nature Watch, where we look at all the fantastic things in nature, and we will start off around now. Only 10 seconds in, and we've already found a wonder of nature. Morrison's Own juice. Let's see what else we can find. After more searching, I have found the very rare Rice Krispies box, only found near rocks. Moving on. To find more miracles of nature, we've got to go searching. There's something. A 30-sub YouTube plaque in all its glory. I do not have an outro for this Nature Watch, so we're just going to look up at the clouds and it will say the end. You see, it says the end right above my finger. By the way, this isn't my middle finger. And that's it for this episode of Nature Watch with Michael Thomas Lego.